Welcome back. Today we're counting down the most jaw-dropping, technologically advanced luxury cars coming in 2025. From all-electric titans to roaring petrol-powered legends, we've got a lineup that redefines speed, style, and innovation. Whether you're a petrol head, a tech geek, or just love the finer things, you're in the right place. Legends like Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Porsche, and Bentley are all in the mix, and they're not holding back. Let's dive in. This is where dreams are made of metal, carbon fiber, and leather. Let's kick off with a shocker: Ferrari's first ever SUV, the Purosangue. For years, Ferrari said they'd never build an SUV, yet here it is, and it's a stunner. Under the hood, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 pumping out 715 horsepower. This four-door, four-seater rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds, faster than many supercars. Ferrari didn't compromise. This is a true thoroughbred, with a spine-tingling soundtrack and blistering acceleration. But it's not just about speed. The Purosangue features an active suspension system that keeps it flat and agile, making you forget you're in a 2-ton SUV. The design is unmistakably Ferrari, with rear-hinge doors that make every entrance feel special. Inside, it's pure Italian luxury. Carbon fiber, leather, and tech, including a dedicated passenger screen. It's supercar performance meets genuine utility. Room for friends, space for shopping, and that iconic prancing horse badge. Ferrari took a risk entering the SUV world, but they've redefined it. The Purosangue isn't just an SUV with a Ferrari badge. It's a true Ferrari, with 4 doors and a bold new attitude. It's a masterpiece of engineering and a thrilling start to our list. Imagine the school run in this beast. You'd never be late again. The Purosangue proves practicality and passion can coexist. It's a car that shouldn't exist, but now that it does, we're all glad it's here. Ferrari's first SUV is a statement: no compromise, all soul. The blend of supercar DNA and luxury utility is unmatched. This is Ferrari's boldest move in decades. The Purosangue is a new chapter for Maranello. And what a way to begin. Next up, we shift from Italian thunder to British silence. From Ferrari's roar to Rolls-Royce's whisper, meet the Spectre, their first fully electric car. Rolls-Royce has always promised silent, effortless luxury, and electric power is the ultimate evolution. The Spectre's dual-motor setup delivers 577 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 4.4 seconds. Swift, but all about grace, not aggression. Range? Around 260 miles, plenty for the daily journeys of the world's elite. But the real story is the experience. The cabin is an oasis of calm, quieter than a recording studio. The Starlight headliner now extends to the doors, creating a celestial atmosphere. Materials are the world's finest, leather, wood, and metal, all crafted to perfection. Built on the architecture of luxury, the Spectre was designed as a Rolls-Royce first, electric car second. The battery even acts as extra sound insulation, making the ride eerily serene. This car is a statement. Rolls-Royce will be fully electric by 2030, and the Spectre leads the way. It proves ultimate luxury doesn't need a combustion engine. The Spectre is a rolling work of art, redefining what a grand tourer can be. It's not just a car, it's a vision of progress. For those who want to glide into the future in style, the Spectre is the answer. Rolls-Royce has set a new standard for electric opulence. The Spectre is the quiet revolution luxury needed. It's a bold, beautiful leap into the electric era. Next, we go from silent luxury to electric insanity. Buckle up for the Porsche Mission X. Ready for the future of speed? Meet the Porsche Mission X, an all-electric hypercar concept that's pure adrenaline. Porsche is targeting a mind-blowing 1,700 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 0 to 60? Under 2 seconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. The Mission X isn't just about numbers, it's about redefining what fast means. Porsche wants it to be the fastest road-legal car ever around the Nürburgring. Lightweight carbon fiber chassis, advanced aerodynamics, and more downforce than a 911 GT3 RS. This car sticks to the road like glue. The design is sci-fi Le Mans-style doors, a glass dome cockpit, and a shape sculpted for speed. Inside, it's all about the driver, minimalist, digital, and focused. The passenger seat is offset for maximum driving precision. While still a concept, Porsche has a history of turning these dreams into reality. Just look at the Taycan. The Mission X is the next step in Porsche's hypercar legacy. It's a showcase of electric performance and cutting-edge tech. This is the future of the hypercar: fast, electric, and utterly breathtaking. Porsche proves the thrill of driving is alive and well in the electric age. The Mission X is a glimpse of what's possible when engineers go wild. It's a car for those who want to break every boundary. The future of speed is here, and it's electric. Next, let's see how Mercedes brings luxury and tech to the family SUV. The EQS SUV is up next, stay tuned. Now let's talk luxury family SUVs. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV is the electric flagship for those who want it all. Dual motor, all-wheel drive, 516 horsepower, effortless, silent, and surprisingly agile for its size. Up to 400 miles of range means true long-distance comfort, with no range anxiety. The real magic? Mercedes Level 3 drive pilot system, hands-off, eyes-off driving in certain conditions. The interior is a tech lover's dream. The optional 56-inch hyperscreen spans the entire dashboard. It's visually stunning, intuitive, and makes the cabin feel like a starship. Luxury is paramount: massaging seats, Burmester sound, and even a perfumed air filtration system. The EQS SUV is a wellness spa on wheels, blending space, comfort, and next-gen tech. It's the intelligent choice for luxury EV buyers who want futuristic features and uncompromised comfort. Mercedes sets the standard for electric family travel. BMW is reinventing itself for the electric age with the Neue Klasse Coupe, a bold new vision. This isn't just a car, it's a new platform design language and tech philosophy for BMW's next-gen EVs. In-wheel motors could deliver agility and handling like never before. The design is clean, futuristic, and a nod to classic BMWs, but with digital twists. Inside, a panoramic vision display projects info across the windscreen, creating a minimalist, driver-focused cabin. Sustainable materials align luxury with responsibility. The coupe will be a limited production halo car, setting the tone for BMW's future. It's proof the ultimate driving machine can be electric and thrilling. The Neue Klasse Coupe is BMW's boldest leap yet. Bentley's Flying Spur bridges classic luxury and the electrified future with its refined hybrid lineup. The plug-in hybrid offers silent, all-electric city driving, while the V8 hybrid blends classic power with modern efficiency. Inside, it's a masterclass in craftsmanship. Hand-stitched leather, wood, and metal, all made in Crewe. The Flying Spur is agile for the driver but pure luxury for rear passengers. Think reclining, massaging seats, and a detachable touchscreen remote. It's both sports sedan and limousine, balancing driver engagement with passenger pampering. Bentley proves you can have performance, opulence, and a touch of green conscience. The Flying Spur is a rolling work of art and a statement of timeless elegance. In a world rushing to full electrification, it's a proud example of transitional tech done right. Bentley's hybrid is the best of both worlds. The Flying Spur is British luxury, reimagined for tomorrow. Tesla's Model S Plaid Plus is back, rewriting the rules for electric performance. Triple motors, over 1,100 horsepower, and 0-60 in under 2 seconds. This is acceleration that feels like teleportation. The Plaid Plus targets over 500 miles of range, erasing range anxiety for good. Inside, it's minimalist and futuristic, with a massive touchscreen and the divisive yoke steering wheel. Tesla's supercharger network makes long-distance travel seamless. The Plaid Plus is a technological tour de force. Performance, range, and autonomy in one package. It's not about handcrafted luxury, but about cutting-edge tech and face-melting speed. For those who want the future now, the Plaid Plus is in a class of its own. Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what an EV can be. The legend returns, faster and smarter than ever. The BMW i7 M70 is the electric flagship for the boardroom luxury, tech, and power in one. Dual motors, 650 plus horsepower, and 0-60 in under 4 seconds, effortless, silent, and fast. The real magic is in the back executive lounge seating, and a 31-inch 8K theater screen turn the rear into a private cinema. The front features BMW's curved display and interaction bar for a futuristic cockpit. Sustainability is key. Recycled materials and cashmere wool options make luxury eco-friendly. The i7 is a statement electric mobility can be thrilling, luxurious, and responsible. It's designed to pamper whether you're driving or being chauffeured. BMW's i7 is the future of executive travel innovation, comfort, and style. It's a flagship in every sense, packed with tech and luxury. The i7 closes our list with a vision of what's next. What a lineup! From Ferrari's wild Purosangue to the silent Rolls-Royce Spectre and the tech-packed Tesla Plaid Plus, 2025 is set to thrill. Which car excites you most? Drop your pick in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of motoring. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more luxury and performance previews. See you in the next one.